We decided to harvest the potatoes. So they set flowers about 3 weeks ago, and I didn't get any fruit. Sometimes they'll set fruit. It's not edible, the fruit that comes off of the vine. So you just want to stick with the tuber, and we're getting some pretty good sized potatoes. Literally just lifting up the greens, and inside you'll find the roots.
That long one.
Very good size. So far, that's what we've pulled out. Good job.
Another funky one.
It's like gingerbread.
Why they get funky over here?
I don't know. I wonder why. To do a little research and figure out if it was something, a growing condition, or... I can't believe how many there are out of 9 potatoes.
You think these would have got bigger if we would have left them?
Yeah, but we got to be careful because I think with the heat, maybe we'll grow them at a cooler time.
Yeah.
Because we're in Arizona, we'll start them maybe in January when we don't have the same kind of conditions, you know, when it's not snowing here.
It's too hot.
These new fresh potatoes.
I can't believe how many. That's awesome. Sissy, don't you take off with any.
I'm stealing your booty.
You sure are. Look at that. And see, Dad, the soil's nice and moist.
Yeah, it's not dry. It's not too wet.
Look at, there's worms in there.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Yay. Put them in the compost. Thank you.
Where do we go? Here.
Worms means healthy soil.
A mixture of straw.
It's a little wormy guy.
He's like, please put me back. Please put me back.
No, I'm just kidding. Oh. Dang.
I wonder if it is a grub. That's not good.
Well, that's a potato grub or something.
A potato grub. Nasty.
Yeah, I just wanted to real mushy ones. The corners. So they don't like the mush.
One of those other little things.
Sprinkler? Meal bar?
Like a grub.
Right.
2.
Poison?
What does that mean when they're in there?
I don't know. I think they eat the roots.
The hummingbird are flying like right next to my ear. Like crazy sound.
He gets close.
Ballsy. We were thinking either okra.
Yes, let's get some okra going. Yeah.
It'll go crazy in this bed if we do okra. I've got some seeds, or we can go get starters.
I've been wanting to grow some okra. That way they can
Yeah, so we just want the bottoms to air out. Very nice for our very first harvest.
It's a good first harvest.
Thanks for helping.